us and our distinguished resource person. On behalf of Sandeep Institute of Technology and Research Center, Nasik, I extend warm welcome to the day 4 of AICT Atal Online Faculty Development Program on Navigating Urban Climate Challenge, Sustainable Solution for Resilient Cities. This FDP is being conducted under the guidance of Chief Patan Sandeep Jha sir, Honorable Mr. Pramod Karole sir, Convener, Amol Potgantwar sir, Principal, and the Chairperson, Dr. Mahesh Indait sir, Head of the Department of Civil Engineering. We thank the management for their continuous support. So now it's my privilege to introduce our first expert of the speaker for the today, Minimol Karola, Head of Strategic Initiative and Project, ISEAP, the McAfee, a global leader in geosynthesis and engineered geosynthetic solution. Minimol brings more than the 2 decades of deep expertise in geosynthesis, waste slope stabilization, and river bank protection, ground improvement technologies, sustainable and low carbon geotechnical solutions, disaster mitigation and resilient infrastructure engineering, and codal development with ISO, BIS, and IRC committees. She holds an MTech in Geotechnical Engineering, CET Kerala University, and a BTech in Civil Engineering, and a MBA in PGP Max from the prestigious Indian School of Business ISB. In her career, she has contributed to a national level infrastructure projects, developed innovative geotechnical systems, and served as a guest faculty at the Indian Academy of Highway Engineers. She also received multiple national and international recognitions for the innovation and sustainability. Um Today, uh, Minimol will speak on very important and forward looking topic, that is resilient structure design in geotechnical engineering, uh, that aligns perfectly with the current national and global need for the sustainable disaster resilient and climate adaptive infrastructure. Thank you, ma'am. I Now you can take over the session, ma'am.
Uh, is it visible now?
Yeah, ma'am, visible.
Okay. And am I audible?
Yeah, ma'am,
Okay.
audible.
All right. So resilient structural design in geotechnical engineering. So I would love to talk about the alternate technologies at present getting more and more prominence in geotechnical engineering. One reason is I'm working in that domain, so it's so easy to talk about that. Second is it's predicted within few more years the construction industry will be facing huge challenges. The present, whatever we are seeing as the materials for the construction, and we all are learning as per our prescribed syllabus, that may not be available. It may be available, but the cost will be too high. So that doesn't mean that we have to completely shift from the world of the popular construction materials which we are using, like cement or steel or glass or timber. But we may have to have other alternatives also, so that we will get the flexibility and more freedom. So the flow of the presentation is introduction, and I'm touching ground improvement for coastal roads, marshy areas, and filled up land. For a geotechnical engineer, the first and foremost is the soil or the strata, and where it is connecting with the structure, it's the foundation. So one of the biggest opportunity where a civil engineer or a geotechnical engineer is about the foundation design, to find out what are the alternate technologies or how we can go there more resilient way, more sustainable way. And payment applications for cost effectiveness and durability. I meet a lot of highway engineers, as mentioned in the introductory session. I'm a faculty of Indian Academy of Highway Engineers. So apart from my role in McAfee, this is something which I enjoy. I used to do a lot of classes. Whenever any IIT is calling, I'm again a part of advisory member of Research Council of CRRA. So in all these places, my the main interactions are with the highway engineers, because they are really facing this problem of sustainability already. The way the aggregates or the way the sand, which was available 10 years back, it is not available. The cost has not just increased double, it is multiples. So payment application is somewhere the alternate technologies can do a lot. Then slope stability, rockfall mitigation, and erosion control, because I have seen that in your theme, you are covering the calamities and disaster. So I thought of what it can be done. Sometimes even calamities like rockfalls or erosion can even disturb a urban environment. And definitely in hill infrastructure, it creates a lot of issues. When we are talking about all these alternate technologies, one of the main concern, especially for when you are thinking about the practicing engineers, their main question is it covered in our national and the international standards? So which are the national and international standards, from where the details of the specification, material specification, installation guideline, that we can take. Otherwise, in government sector, we will not get any approvals. Okay. Then a few conclusions and recommendations. So do we design for the conditions of today or future? So, and what is important? Today, customer wants